Your room is ready for you.
Just need to get the bed.
The lamp, the desk, the rug, the sink, a pillow for your head.
The hotel's run by monsters, our staff beyond compare.
We've got the kind of service you won't find anywhere. So welcome to the Furchester. Welcome to the Furchester.
Dining style.
So genteel.
Cookie come with every meal.
Here's your key, so check right in. Let your furry stay begin. Welcome to the Furchester Hotel. Animal talk.
Stay still, Isabel. Elmo's drawing a picture of you. Oh, yes. Okay, Isabel, you can ding now. Auntie Furchester.
Oh, thank you, Elmo. You're our sheep guests. Welcome to the Furchester Hotel. We welcome you with furry arms.
Elmo doesn't think that the sheep understand what you're saying, Auntie Furchester.
Oh, that's okay, Elmo. I can speak enough sheep to tell them their room is ready.
Oh, okay.
Bar, 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 bar.
Wait, the sheep look scared.
Well, that's because you said there's a wolf at the door, Mum.
Oh, dear.
I think what you meant to say is...
Oh, thank you, Phoebe.
Sounds like trouble in the dining room. I'll go and check it out.
Oh, well, yeah, me brought you cookies. You want more cookies?
Oh, she's saying that dogs don't eat cookies, Cookie Monster. She wants a plate of doggy treats.
Oh, why she not say so? Me got them right over here. Here you go. Yeah.
Mrs. Wolfberg says thank you. These are her favorites.
Oh, well, and cookies, me favorite. Boy, it, pity for cookies to go to waste, huh?
Yeah.
Cookie! Nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom. Boy, Phoebe, Furchester lucky to have someone who talk dog.
Oh, I'm happy to help.
Yeah.
Eek, eek, eek. Oh, good day, Mr. Cheese Chomper. Eek. Oh, Mr. Cheese Chomper, you've got to move. The monsters are coming through. Eek. Oh, no, he doesn't understand what I'm saying.
Tea time!
Oh, no. Eek.
Oh, boy, Phoebe saved Mr. Cheese Chomper.
Oh, Phoebe, it's wonderful how you can talk to lots of animals.
Well, I don't know what we'd do if you couldn't.
No.
It's fun to talk like the animals talk.
A wolf bar moo, a ribbit squeak squawk. It's good to talk like the animals talk. I can make a fish feel welcome. Chat with a chicken or two.
Phoebe tells us what the animals say.
'Cause I talk the way they do. A wolf bar moo, a ribbit squeak squawk. It's good to talk like the animals talk. I can hoot like a wise old owl. Ask a lion and a bear to tea. I understand what the animals say, and the animals understand me. A wolf bar moo, a ribbit squeak squawk. It's good to talk like the animals talk.
Woof, 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 woof.
Woof, 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 woof. Oh, Mrs. Wolfberg says she would like to have a fur cut in the salon. Squeak, squeak. Oh, squeak. Mr. Cheese Jumper wants breakfast in bed.
Furchester front desk. Oh, it's the sheep, dear.
Bah! But, oh, they want pals.
Oh.
They're going for a dip.
Boy, Phoebe's voice sounds funny.
Squeak!
Where did Phoebe's voice go?
Oh, Phoebe, you can't talk. Fergus, you don't think it could be Monster Mumbleitis?
Monster Mumbleitis? Oh, no! What's Monster Mumbleitis?
Oh, that's what monsters get if they talk too much.
It's okay, dear. If you keep quiet and rest your voice, it'll soon come back.
Yeah, but Elmo and Auntie Fenella and Uncle Fergus can't talk to the animals without Phoebe.
You're right, Elmo. This is a huge problem. It's a catastrophe.
It's more than just a slip-up or a mess-up or a mishap. A Furchester catastrophe. We need to fix it fastrophe and put it in the pastrophe. This simply cannot last trophy. A Furchester catastrophe. The problem is so vastrophe. We're really flabbergastrophe. Let's ding the bell for blastrophe. Catastrophe, catastrophe. Catastrophe, catastrophe. It's a catastrophe, catastrophe, catastrophe. What's in a catastrophe? It's a catastrophe. What a disaster. It's a catastrophe.
Oh, dear. Oh, this is a communication catastrophe. How are we going to talk to all the other animals until Phoebe gets her voice back?
Let's put our furry heads together and think. What if we all act out what we want to say?
Oh, yeah, Elmo loves to play charades.
Oh, let me try. Mrs. Wolfberg.
Woof.
Would you like some shampoo with your fur cut?
Woof.
Shampoo!
Oh, I don't think Mrs. Wolfberg understands.
Oh, we need another way to talk to our animal guests.
Ah, does Phoebe think that Elmo, Auntie Fenella, and Uncle Fergus could draw pictures to talk to the animal guests? Is that it? Is that it? Oh, yeah, no!
Oh!
Okay, here we go. Right here.
Thank you. Ta-da!
Oh, yes, she wants a shampoo.
Phoebe, your idea worked. Let's give the chalk and chalkboard to all our guests.
Eek, 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 eek. Eek.
Oh, you want cheese?
Eek.
Okay, here you go.
Eek.
Excuse me, could I have a cup of tea, please?
Oh, would you like to draw that, Mr. Dull?
But why? You can understand what I'm saying.
Oh, we're asking all our guests to draw their requests. There you go.
This is silly. Ta-da!
Now, let's see. You want a left shoe.
No, I think it's a bath.
Ruh, ruh, ruh.
Oh, and what does Mrs. Wolfberg want now? Is this the moon?
I think it's a soap bubble.
Oh, boy. Elmo doesn't think this is working anymore.
I know what Mrs. Wolfberg wants.
Who said that?
Phoebe, your voice is back.
Phoebe, you can talk.
My voice is all rested.
And just in time. Can you tell us what everybody wants?
Mrs. Wolfberg wants a ball, and Mr. Dull wants a cup of tea.
Oh, okay, Miss Wolfberg, fetch.
There you are.
Oh, finally!
Anytime.
Okay, here we go. Ta-da!
Oh, and Elmo wants... Oh, what does Elmo want?
Elmo doesn't want anything, Phoebe. Elmo wanted to show you this picture.
Oh, thanks, Elmo.
You really can't be going. Oh, say it isn't true.
The Furchester will never be as furry without you.
We'd like you to stay forever.
Or longer if you can.
We put our furry heads together and came up with this plan. So,
Don't check out, don't check out,
please, 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 please don't go.
don't check out, don't check out,
No, 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 no.
don't check out, don't check out,
Please, 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 please don't go.
don't check out.
Don't check out.
No, 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 no. Please, please don't check out.
Visit the Furchester Hotel online. Go to the CBeebies website on the computer or the CBeebies Playtime app on tablet and mobile. See you there.
Furchester.